What's up guys, Adey from Nasdaq, and today in this video let's unbox this brand new iPhone 12 Pro and have a first impression of this. So let's unbox this. Before that, if you're new to my channel, please make sure to press the subscribe button. And guys, as usual, this phone is very expensive in India. It comes with 128GB variant for around 1,20,000 and goes up to 512GB. It costs around 1,50,000. So the phone which I have is 128GB variant, which cost me around 1,20,000 rupees. So guys, let's open this up and look what's in the box now. The first thing which we get to see in the box is the phone itself. Since it's a Pro, it has 3 cameras. Actually, like talking in a technical aspect, it has 4 cameras, which is right over here. This is called a time flight sensor, and see what's in the box now. In the box, they have given a Lightning C adapter, C to Lightning cable, and there's something here right over here. Let's see what's here. As usual, they have given a Apple logo. Other than that, they have given the warranty card and a SIM ejector tool. Though the phone is expensive, they haven't provided the charging adapter or a earphone, which is a bad thing. Sorry, they have given a Apple logo stickers, and there is a worldwide warranty for 1 year. These are the things which we get to see in the box. Take a look into it. This phone comes with 3 variants like 128GB, 256GB, 512GB of ROM and 6GB of RAM. Talking about colors, this iPhone 12 Pro comes with 4 colors. I guess, yeah, Pacific Blue, Space Gray, and Creamy Gold, and something whitish color as you see on the display. This one has 6.1-inch OLED screen as you see here, and I have to say, like, I am liking the look of the phone. This outer shell is made up of stainless steel, as you see. This rim resembles the older iPhone 5 and 5S variant. I somehow, like, I am impressed with the look of this phone. The design is very close to that of 5 and 5S variant mobiles. iPhone 12 Pro Max is even more bigger. Like, this phone is handy, and compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it's handy and single-handed mobile. So guys, talking about the buttons, right over here there is a power button which is pretty flush. In fact, moving to the bottom, we have speakers and lightning connector. Yes, of course, it's a stereo which supports Apple earphones. And right over here there is a volume rockers, volume up, volume down, and a error alert slider, whatever you call. There is a SIM tray here. Let's open this up and see what's in there. As per my knowledge, there will be like it will be a single nano SIM, as expected, a single nano SIM, and it even supports eSIM. So guys, I'm liking the Indian feel of this phone. Like, it is a single-handed phone. Talking about the display, it has 6.1-inch OLED with HDR10 Dolby Vision screen. The biggest thing, like, the good thing about this phone is it has A14 Bionic chip, which is the fastest mobile chip which you ever get in this field right now. Like, you can play any sort of games and you can run any mobile applications with the higher settings. So guys, talking about the exterior part, the back part is made up of Gorilla Glass, which makes it look like it prevents from scratches and fingerprint smudges. Other than that, it has a matte finish, and there is Apple logo on the center right over here, which makes it look aesthetic. Moving on to the front part, it is made up of a special glass coating, which is called ceramic shield. The Apple comes up with a new names like which show their uniqueness. So guys, I've seen some videos regarding drop test. They have done drop test from around 9 feet. The front glass hasn't cracked, but the Gorilla Glass has cracked. But I suggest you to handle it very carefully, because once broken, you cannot afford for it, because you can buy a new phone in that price range. So let's power it on, and I hope it has some charge. So until I set up, here is a configuration overview of this phone. This iPhone 12 Pro comes with 6.1-inch Full HD plus OLED screen. The biggest part is that it has A14 Bionic chip and 6GB RAM. It also comes with 3 variants: 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB RAM storage. It has quad rear camera setup. One is 12MP, which is used for ultra wide angle shots, to take ultra wide shots, and 12MP for 2x zoom, and TOF 3D sensor for optical stabilization. And moving on to the front facing camera, it has a 12MP camera. Apart from that, it has stereo speakers, and it supports wireless charging. So let's set it up this. So now the phone is set up. Let's see what's in the phone now. There is even a face lock, which I won't set it up right now. Let's unlock this through pin. This should be kept secret. So now the phone is unlocked. Let's see how the screen works. The screen works very fluently, as you see. There is no issues working in the screen. Moving on to the battery part. Go to settings. Let's search for battery. It comes with 2815 mAh battery, which supports fast charging, and it lasts for around 10 hours a day. Like, it supports wireless charging, but the thing is that the wireless charging mount is very expensive. It also has a quad rear camera setup. The main 3 cameras are of 12 MP. The first one is which has f1.6 OIS, and then we have a second one which is used for 2x zoom, and the third one is this which is used for taking wide and ultra wide angle shots. This is called TOF depth sensor, which gives perfect optical stabilization while doing logs or any videos, that this and all. It also has LED flash right over here. And moving on to the front facing camera, it has a 12 MP camera. The photos captured by this are pretty good, and like, this camera can be used for doing vlogs and cinematic videos. Talking about the network and connectivity, it supports 5G, which is the best part. So guys, talking about the camera specifications, let's open the camera first. So the camera which you are looking at is at 1x. Let's have a look into the ultra wide angle now. This is called this is the ultra wide angle shot. Let's zoom in for the 2x. You have noticed some changes, right? It has video, slow motion, and time lapse. Moving to the right part of this photo, it has portrait, panorama, which works very well in this camera. I like the look because it has a retro look, and it actually feels nice. So if you're planning to buy this phone, like Apple iPhone, above 1 lakh, I suggest you to buy this phone because it's premium one, and there's no second thought about it. So that's it for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Before that, if you had any doubts regarding this, please let me know in the comment section. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay protected, and thank you. Have a nice day.